Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Ever wondered which oil was more suitable for you? Well, in this video, we are going to demystify omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. We are also going to learn which oil benefits which organ, and we are going to learn how to use each oil correctly for maximum effect. This will help you determine which oil is more suitable for you and how to use it. So let's get started. So let's demystify omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. So as you can see here, we have a human body and I have split it into three sections. So the upper body, the middle body and the lower body. And as you can see, omega-3 is sitting in the upper body, omega-6 is sitting in the middle body, and omega-9 is sitting in the lower body. So what is omega-3? Omega-3 is a light and volatile oil that is easy to digest. So when you consume foods that contain omega-3 oils, because of their lightness, they tend to travel upwards to the upper area of the body. And that is if they survive, because they are also easily destroyed in the body. Omega-6, on the other hand, is a medium density oil that is most commonly found, and it is most commonly consumed. As a result, individuals tend to gain fat in the waist area. Then omega-9 oil is a high density oil that is heavy to digest. When consumed, it is used by the extremities for lubrication purposes. Omega-9 also acts as an anti-inflammatory and as a pain-relieving oil, and hence is quite useful to the joints of both the limbs and helps in movement. For example, castor seed oil contains 90% omega-9 and as a result is used in car engines. Now that we have discussed omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9, let's take a look at which oil benefits which organ. So here I have created a table and I have listed the most commonly used oils. Now let's take a look at which oil benefits which organ. We will discuss the benefits in more detail in the next slide. So peanut oil benefits the testes, walnut oil benefits the brain, almond oil benefits the heart, coconut oil benefits the hair, white sesame seeds benefit the right kidney or the dominant kidney, black sesame benefits the left kidney or the non-dominant kidney. And this is more for left-handed or right-handed individuals. So if you're a left-handed individual, then your left kidney would be your dominant kidney. Olive oil benefits the liver and sunflower oil benefits the stomach. Now there are many more oils. However, I have listed the most commonly used oils for the purposes of this video. So now that we have linked the oils to the organs, let's take a look at their benefits in more detail. Starting with the peanut oil. So as we discussed earlier, peanut oil is rich in omega-9 and hence is difficult to digest. Therefore, it is advisable to use it only as cooking oil. Now the nuts themselves, if boiled and consumed, are great for immunity purposes. Because when peanuts are boiled and consumed, they enter the lungs and help with immunity. When they are roasted and consumed, they are more energetic and sweet in nature and are useful for improving libido. The next oil is the walnut oil. So walnut oil, as we discussed earlier, is high in omega-3, which is light and volatile in nature. Hence, it needs to be consumed raw only. If it is cooked, the omega-3 oils will get destroyed. Now, the best way to consume walnut oil is to consume it on empty stomach and to try to digest it in the mouth. What this means is to use half a teaspoon and enjoy it in the mouth, and then take another half a teaspoon and also enjoy it in the mouth. When you enjoy this oil in the mouth, the oil will permeate from there into the brain by crossing the blood-brain barrier and will benefit the brain. If consumed with food, the oil will make its way to the stomach and there it will get destroyed and hence will not be able to reach the brain. The third oil is almond oil. Almond oil contains higher levels of omega-6, however, it also contains omega-3. Hence, it is better to consume almond oil raw. Now, consuming it during the early part of the meal is ideal so that you can benefit from the omega-6 as well as the omega-3 oil. Hence, it is ideal for entree and starters. The next oil is coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is highly viscous oil and is difficult to digest. Hence, it is advisable to use it externally on hair for growth and on skin as a sunscreen. The cooling nature of coconut can adversely affect the digestive power of the stomach and hence it is not advisable to be consumed unless it is consumed as part of a spicy diet. Now, coconut oil's cooling nature is quite useful to calm the head when applied on the head. The next oil is white sesame oil. Now, white sesame oil is slightly versatile in nature. However, it still has higher levels of omega-3 similar to walnut. Hence, it is better to be used as a cooking oil for foods that do not require deep fry. This oil can also be used as raw oil for massaging our hands. The next oil is black sesame. Now, black sesame is slightly heavier than white sesame and hence it can be used for deep frying food. The raw oil can be used for massaging the feet. And similar to castor seed oil, because of its high omega-9 content, it is helpful in pain management and also has anti-inflammatory benefits that can be used to reduce inflammation of the joints. The next oil is olive oil. Now, olive oil is quite versatile in nature and it can be used as a raw oil as part of dressings and it can also be used as a cooking oil. The last oil is the sunflower oil. Now, sunflower oil is also similar to olive oil. However, it is slightly heavier in nature and hence it is advisable to use it as a cooking oil only. Now, roasted sunflower nuts can be used for lubricating the esophageal line, and this helps in improving our digestive health. So in this video, we demystified omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. We also discussed which oil benefits which organ, and we learned how to use each oil correctly for maximum effect. Now I hope you liked this video. Please keep an eye out for more videos on similar topics. Until then, thank you.